अनफाल शुरू करेंगे। ये है चैप्टर 8। 8.1 दे आस्क यू ओ प्रॉफिट रिगार्डिंग द स्पॉइल्स ऑफ वॉर से देयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज डिसाइडेड बाय अल्लाह एंड हिज मैसेंजर सो बी माइंडफुल ऑफ अल्लाह settle your affairs and obey Allah and his messenger if you are true believers. 8.2 The true believers are only those whose hearts tremble at the remembrance of Allah, whose faith increases when his revelations are recited to them, and who put their trust in their Lord. 8.3 They are those who establish prayer and donate from what we have provided for them. 8.4 It is they who are true believers. They have elevated ranks, forgiveness, and honorable provision from their Lord. 8.5 Similarly, when your Lord brought you, O Prophet, out of your home for just a cause, a group of believers was totally against it. 8.6 They disputed with you about the truth after it had been made clear, as if they were being driven to death with their eyes wide open. 8.7 Remember, O believers, when Allah promised to give you the upper hand over either target you wish to capture the unarmed party. But it was Allah's will to establish the truth by His words and uproot the disbelievers. 8.8 To firmly establish the truth and wipe out falsehood, even to dismay of the wicked. 8.9 Remember, when you cried out to your Lord for help, He answered, I will reinforce you with 1,000 angels, followed by many others. 8.10 And Allah made this a sign of victory and reassurance in your hearts. Victory comes only from Allah. Surely Allah is Almighty, all-wise. 8.11 Remember, when He caused drowsiness to overcome you, giving you serenity, and He sent down rain from the sky to purify you, free you from Satan's whisper, strengthen your hearts, and make your steps firm. Remember, O Prophet, when your Lord revealed to the angels, I am with you, so make the believers stand firm. I will cast horror in their hearts of the disbelievers. So strike the necks and strike their fingertips. 1.3 This is because they defied Allah and His messengers. And whoever defies Allah and His messengers, then know that Allah is surely severe in punishment. For the worldly punishment is yours, so taste it. Then the disbelievers will suffer a torment of fire. 1.5 O believers, when you face the disbelievers in battle, never turn your back to them. 8.16 And whoever does so on such an occasion, unless it is a maneuver or to join their own troops, will earn the displeasure of Allah, and their home will be hell. What an evil destination. 8.17 It was not you believers who killed them, but it was Allah who did so. Nor it was you, O Prophet, who threw a handful of sand at the disbelievers, but it was Allah who did so, rendering the believers a great favor. Surely Allah is all hearing, all knowing. 1.8 As such, Allah frustrates the evil plans of the disbelievers. 1.9 If you Makkah sought judgment, now it has come to you. And if you cease, it will be for your own good. But if you persist, we will persist. And your forces, no matter how numerous they might be, will not benefit for you whatsoever. For Allah is certainly with the believers. 20. O believers, obey Allah and His messengers, and do not turn away from Him while you hear His call. 2:1. Do not be like those who say, we hear, but in fact they are not listening. 2:2. Indeed, the worst of all human beings in the sight of Allah are willfully deaf and dumb, who do not understand. 2:3. Has Allah known any goodness in them? He would have certainly made them hear, but even if He had made them hear, they would have surely turned away heedlessly. 24. O believer, respond to Allah and His Messenger when He calls you to do that which gives you life, and know that Allah stands between a person and their heart, and that to Him you all will be gathered. 25. Beware of a trial that will not only affect the wrongdoers among you, and know that Allah is severe in punishment.